Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I am going to show you how to make your own Carmar Denim $168 pair of jeans at a fraction of the cost. Hot topic. Here we go. Okay, so to begin with, what you need for this project is a pair of jeans. Now, I found these at the thrift store for 50 cents, so that is a good buy. But I mean, find a pair of jeans and a pair of scissors or two, depending on how good your scissors are. All right, let's get started. Okay, so now to be trendy, I'm going to mark off on here where the knees are, because we're going to keep a strip at the knees, and I'm just going to guess. Invisible line there, and a line there. And then hopefully it's there. But you know what? If it's a little bit off, then we'll just call that more fashionable, right? Because that's starting a new trend. Starting our own trend. So we've marked off where the knee strips are going to be. So now what we're going to do is just take our scissors and we're going to cut along this bottom seam, leaving a little bit there. So how to get started, you just pinch the pants and then make a cut. If you have fabric scissors, use fabric scissors because it'll be nicer. Oh, these scissors are awful. And then just cut just to about 1/4 inch, a finger width before the next seam. Then do it the other way as well. The scissors suck. There we go. These ones will be quick and easy. Now, remember we're going to be fashionable and not worry about it being perfect. So now I'm going to go up to the knee crossover thing there. Going across. Go down. And there we have a nice quarter panel. We are 1/4 of the way there. Alright, so we're just going to repeat what we did here on the next side. It's kind of pinched. Go in the middle so that you're not going to cut your seam off. Now, they went right up to the pockets. Do we have pockets that are going to hang out of here? Look at this awesomeness. Gotta make sure you don't cut your pockets out. Oh, those are just little pockets. We're going to be very fashionable. Oh my gosh. Saving 168 bucks. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Why didn't we think of this before? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Oh, look at how fashionable we're going to be. All right. So now we need to do this on the other side as well. Quarter panel number 2 gone. These are going to be so super fashionable. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I'm pretty sure the back of the ones I saw were just open. Okay, so here we go. I flipped them over. Just going to pinch the middle part here. Make a little hole. And then do my trimming. Alright, I think I will just leave a little cross patch on the knee, on the back side of it as well, just to be very, very fashionable. Make sure we've got these over to the side far enough. I mean, they've got a really good idea here with this style. I think I'm gonna, whoops, leave this one here and then just cut across. Oh, how fun is this? Look at us making our own fashion. Then cutting down. Oh yeah, that is something else. There's quarter panel number 3. And then I'm just gonna eyeball it. I can see I'm a little off there, but that's okay. That's just gonna make double the fashion. Let's leave like a knuckle, a finger's worth there. Just gonna make a snip up here, cut it across. Oh yeah, that's gonna be hot, I tell you what. Now I'm thinking of being super duper fashionable and like maybe outlining the pocket here. Let me pull these down. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna cut up the seam here on the other side. Oh, I'm gonna cut out around this pocket because I mean you can't have pants without pockets, right? Oh, dilemmas, hey? There we go. Now I'm not sure like exactly how this is gonna go. I've never tried a pair on. I've never actually seen one in person. Just online. So there we go. There's like one leg done. Well, here we are halfway through, and I gotta say they're looking pretty awesome. Yeah, so let's continue on down here with this second one. And just gonna snip it across, do the next panel. Let's have a look and see how this goes. Okay, so just pinch it in the middle. Up here where I've marked it off. Go down the seams, but not too close. You gotta give it a little bit of structure. Yeah, I think I'm on a roll here. Alright, there's one more. These are actually really quick and easy to make. Okay, now we go up here, paying attention to kind of how we did the other side. Alright, and then around the pocket. There we go. Looking good. Alright, there's the third panel done. Time to flip these over. Well, here we go. I'm just going to eye it up again. Not too close to the edge. Okay, now like on the other one, I'm just going to pretend where the other bar is and go across. They don't need to be even, right? There's the third panel out of here. Okay, now I'm going to do the fourth one. Bloop. Oh yeah, I'm going to try these on after. This is awesome. I'm excited. Okay, then I did around the pockets on the one side. So let's try to do that again. And then down the other side. Alright. Alright, there's the fourth panel. Let's have a look at these. Okay, so here is our final product brought to you by Choxi Denim. Oh, that style. Let me show you the other side. There we go. A nice look at the back side of these. Oh, Chox fashion at its finest. Let's try these bad boys on and see how they look. Okay, now keeping in mind, top fashion is not for everyone. Let's have a look at these pants that we've created. Saved you 168 bucks. Let's have a look at these. I have no shame. Time for the big reveal. All right. Oh, and of course, yes, I have to wear leggings under them because who would wear this atrocity in public? Fashionable pockets there. Yeah. Best part is the fashionable pockets. Oh, yes. If I were to wear these around town, I'm sure people would look at me about as ratchet as my shoes. So there we go. Very, very, very fashionable. Pose. Pose. I mean, like, if you're going to an 80s party, you could probably get away with that. There's all my shadows. Pose. This is ridiculous. Alright, you guys, that's it for me. Thanks for joining me for this week's ridiculous video making fashionable pants. Oh, the silliness of it all. And this is why Chox doesn't make clothes. Alright, you guys, that's it for me for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and making DIY fashionable jeans, saving $168. 50 cents. Alright, feel free to click one of these boxes hanging out around my head for the randomness playlist or whatever YouTube suggests for you. Thanks so much for hanging out here with me. Please make sure you click that little notification bell wherever it is down there because I'm very random when I'm uploading right now and I would love to chat with you in the comment section. I will see you next time on the channel. Thanks so much for hanging out here with me. Bye.